Hello, Keller class. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of February, and we're going to look again at adding different amounts of money. So let's have a look at question 1. Question 1 says, how much money is there? And remember, we're going to do exactly like we did yesterday. We're going to add up the pounds and then add up the pence. So our model question 1A. So looking at my pounds, I've got a £5 note. And then I've got a £2 coin and a £2 coin. So those are my pounds. So I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in here, I'm going to write that I've got £9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I look at my pence, and remember, for my pence, I start with the big coins. So because I've got a few, I'm going to do a calculation over here. So my biggest value coins are these 20 pences here, and I've got 3 of them. And this is where our times table really helps us. And then I've got 2 5 pences and 2 1 pences. Okay, so 20, 20, 20, 20, 40, 60. And then I've got 2 5s make another 10, so 70, 172. So I've got 72 pence. So all together here, I've got £9 and 72 pence. Added the pounds, I added the pence. And it's okay to do calculations. Okay. I'd like you to pause the video because I'd like you to have a go at B and then C. So just pause the video on B. Remember, you've got to add up the pounds. So we've got some notes and we've got some coins that are pounds. And then this is your pence. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, well done. Did you get 74 pence here? I'll give you a clue, you should have done. Okay, let's have a look at C. Now C, I'd like you to have a go at C. C, they are trying to trick you because it says there is pounds and pence and there is no pounds here, and this amount of coins doesn't make a pound. So you need to be careful. There are just pence. So think about what digit you have to put in here when there aren't any pounds. Pause the video and have a go at C. Okay. Question 2. I'm going to do 2B and I'm going to ask you to have a go at 2A. So it says circle the money you would need to make these amounts. So it's just like we've done before, but we're just going to, so I've got to make £7 and 59 pence. So I'm going to look at my pounds first of all to make £7. So I'm going to use that 5, whoopsie, 5. And then I've got a pound coin here, 5, and £1 makes 6. And I'm going to use that pound coin, and I've got my £7. I've now got to make my 59 pence. And I'm looking, I haven't got a 50 pence. So I've got to find some coins that would make 50 pence. Well, the next biggest coin before 50 pence is a 20 pence. So I'm going to have a 20 pence and a 20 pence, and that makes a 40 pence. I'm going to use that 10 pence there, whoopsie. So I've now got 50 pence, and now I've got to make 9 pence. So I'm going to use a 5, whoopsie, a 2, 6, 7, and a 9. Okay, can you have a go at 2A? Find £4 20 pence. Okay. Let's have a look at question 3. Question 3 says Max has these coins and he chooses 5 of his coins. We've got to show 2 different ways he can make £2.50 with 5 coins. So let's look at the coins that he's got. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you the answer. So if I'm making £2, I'm going to start with that £2 coin. Let's see. And then I'm going to add, so I've got to make my 50 pence now with the 4 coins that are left. So I'm going to use some of these 20 pences plus 20 pence. So 20 and 20 make 40. So I'm up to £2.40, but I've only used 3 coins. So I've got 2 coins. Can anybody, I wonder what 2 coins would make the 10 pence that I'm short? Do you know, Keller class? I'm going to use those 5 pences. Okay. So I've made £2.50 with 5 coins. I've used a £2 coin, 20, 20, 5 and 5. Right, let's have a look at a different way. This time I'm going to start with using the pound coins. Oopsie. So I've got my £2 and I've used 2 coins. So I've got 3 coins left to make 50 pence. I know what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the 20 pence plus another 20 pence. Oh, I've missed my put out for pence. And it's really important we use our puffer pence. 20 and 20 make 40 and just one more make £2 and 50 pence. Can you see I've used 5 coins, 5 different coins shown 2 ways. That's quite a tricky question, that, Keller class. That's quite a tricky question. Okay, right. I'd like you to have a go at question 3b. Question 3b says, what's the greatest amount he can make with 5 coins? To make the greatest amount, you're going to have to use the biggest coins. So you're going to have to use the 5 biggest value coins. So it's really lucky they've been put in order. So you're going to use the 5 biggest coins. So you might use that one, and that one, that one, that one, and that one. Oh, I wonder if that's helped you. I'd like you to have a go at 3b. Okay, and then the last question I want you to have a go at. Question 4 says, what is the fewest numbers of coins you need to make £2.48? Draw the coins. So I'd like you to have a go at making £2.48, please, using the least coins you can. So just to recap, you're going to have a go at questions 1b and 1c, 2a, 3b and question 4. I look forward to seeing your work.